Alright, hello everyone. Welcome back to the videos. It's wonderful to have you guys here again as always. Today in this video we are going to get back into Ethel, back into tearing her apart and getting her race ready. Roll caged, lightened, lightweight, you know, all that sort of junk. So yesterday I went and picked myself up 3 lengths of 1 5/8 inch 83 wall 4130 chromoly. So I got 18 meters of that to bend up a roll cage for this lump of junk. So next weekend I want to start bending tubes for it. So yeah, we got 3 good lengths of it here, and yeah, today's plan, I got the 10 kilo block of dry ice. So I want to get all this sound deadening off. Oh, there's a screw. Even in the back seats I think I'll get rid of it. All the way up there, all over there, everything, all of it. I want all of it gone. So that's the plan for today. I'm gonna break off some bits of this and then I'll get it back in the freezer, and then I'll sort of lie it around and let it freeze and do its thing and hopefully just chip it off. I've never done the dry ice thing before. I have blowtorched it and scraped it off once before, but that was not pleasant. It stunk really bad. So I'm looking forward to seeing how this dry ice thing works. I may have to spray a bit of water on it to get it to freeze and whatnot. I also came during the week while I had a couple of days free and redid the hood lining on the hood liner. It's a fake suede, so it looks pretty nice. It was not pleasant. I never want to do that again, but yeah, it looks a lot better than it did. I also sprayed all the trimming in some black. It came out really nice. This is probably all going to have to come back out again to weld and paint the cage, but at least for now it's in there. I wanted to see how it looked. I am on the hunt though for some black sun visors and holy shit handles. So if anyone knows where I can buy a full set of black holy shit handles and sun visors, please let me know. Anyway, that's enough bullshit from me right now. I'm gonna go, I'll get a piece of this chiseled off, sat down in here and let it do its thing, and we'll see how hard this stuff is to get off. I have been procrastinating about this a little bit, but yeah, anyway, let's see how we go. Alright, there we go. That's the last of the... Oh, there's a tiny little bit there actually, I'll get to that in a second. That's the last of the sound deadening out of it. It all relatively came out pretty easily. Quite a few big chunks of it as well. Anyway, I'm going to go and get all this shit cleaned up, put into the bin. And then I think that'll be about it for this video. Alright. Well, there we go, there we have it. That is all of the sound deadening removed inside the cockpit or cabin, front to back, on the trans tunnel, everything. All this remaining shit, I'll just get that off with a wire wheel or something. That's a future me problem. For now, I want to start bending up the cage. So it's going to sit right here behind the B pillar. So I brought some flat bar, actually that's it there. So I'll go and make some boxes that tie into this section, and then on the chassis or sill here, one either side, and then we'll bend up the main hoop. I think I want to try and cut the factory parcel tray off and just sheet it. So I'll come back to that. And then the front stays, we'll go down there and bolt in down there somewhere. I've got to order the separator pieces to separate it here and on the side intrusion. And they're really expensive, so I'll try and get those ordered as soon as possible. But for now, at least, I want to get the main hoop bent up. I can probably fit the taxi bar to it. I can bend up and run the front stays. And the side intrusion stuff. And sort of get it semi-fitting, and then once I can afford and order those the separators, then I'll cut and install those in the tubes that need it. Other than that, you might have noticed all the rest of the wiring is gone. This is just a boot cable, as well as all the wiring over there. So I came in the other day when I did the hood lining, and I pulled out all the rest of the wiring. So that is now all of the complete wiring for the car, minus the fuel loom and I think the center stop on the parcel tray. Yeah, and that's pretty much it for the car. I also came in the boot. I pulled all the wiring out of it for the tail lights, took the nitrous bottle out, the battery, the spare wheel that was in it down there. Yes, it had a spare wheel. So I can get ready to cut the tyre well out of it. I'll probably mount the power steering over there, nitrous here and battery there maybe, or nitrous there, battery here, power steering there. Surge tank will stay. I'll reroute it and do bulkhead fittings. It's a future me problem, and looks like I might have to go get some more dry ice and get this bit done. I don't know. See how I go and how I feel. A little bit there I could probably put in there and quickly bang it out. Yeah, anyway, starting to come along. I'm getting into the meaty bit of it now. I'll get the cage made. I'll get the top of it painted once I've got it made and welded. And then from there I want to work on the engine bay, guards, inner fender sort of thing. Get all that sorted, and then it's under the car, and then I'll start radding lines and all that sort of good stuff. Yeah, anyway, that's where I'm going to leave it for today's video. Got a lot I got to order. Yeah, I gotta get money to get that stuff ordered as well. But yeah, anyway, I want to thank you all for watching. Please leave your likes and comments down below. If you have any suggestions for things I should do to the cage or the car to help with lightening, strengthening, and just general race car stuff, please let me know. Also, that's probably 5 kilos, and I've already emptied that bucket out once before, so pretty substantial weight gain there to be had with that sound deadening removed. I think to get all the weight out of it that I want to get out of it, I'll have to gut the doors. But yeah, see what it weighs when it weighs in when it's done. But for now I'm going to keep plodding along, doing bits I can where I can, and yeah. Hopefully this side of it will happen pretty quick. I can't make any promises. I've got a lot to do, a lot of money for supplies and bits that I need to buy. Yeah, anyway, I'm going to end it here. Thank you all for watching. Please leave your likes and comments down below. Please subscribe if you're new to the channel. Share the build around, and I will see you guys in the next one. Don't forget, unleash the boost, CO2 the world, and I will see you then. Bye bye. Oh, maybe we'll take the B-Mang out for a thrashing. Anyway.